In just few minutes, one buffer can help you build a powerful website. This video explores Odoo's user-friendly website module. We'll show you how to create a stunning website that drives results. To install the website module, start by navigating to the Apps menu in your Odoo dashboard. Search for the website module and click Activate. After installing the website module, it will redirect to this page. Click on Let's Do It button. Enter your requirements, for what purpose you want to create. Write your business category and objective of creating website, either to get leads, develop the brand, sell more, inform customers, schedule appointments. Odoo have the option to choose the colors of the theme or upload logo and detect the logo colors and create the website accordingly. Which of the pages and features you want to add in the website? Select them and click on Build My Website. It will take some time and then show the created website. Customize your homepage. Click on Edit to start customizing your homepage. Use the drag and drop features to add, move, or remove elements. You can easily add text, images, videos, and animations to make your homepage engaging. By clicking on the text, we can change the formatting of text like font size, alignment, and color of the text. To change the footer of the website, click on it and start changing. To change the header of the website, click on it and select the predefined template of the header. Click on Save. Click on Plus New to add the pages in the website. We can select the predefined pages and change as we did earlier, which is easy. Click on Save button after make necessary changes inside the page. Creating a website with Odoo is that simple. Start building your online presence today with Odoo's powerful and user-friendly website module. Contact One Buffer for tailored solutions. Reach us at website or email. We're here to help.